had at least 5 or 6 motherboards in this one. These things are kind of rough on them, and I'm not so sure the repair shop locally here in Sacramento, in fact I know that they're not a Canon repair shop anymore now, does a very good job anyway. So anyway, it's been back several times, and my line counter's been having issues on it. So I the other day when we were out fishing, this little gizmo right here, sit in the sun where you can probably see it, fell out, and I found out that that's a magnet that they use for the line counter. So we're going to disassemble this, see if we can repair that. It looks like from the breakdown it goes in there on the spool somewhere. So hopefully between the 2 cameras we can get a good view of it and you guys can see what we're doing to fix it. So I'll be back on the iPhone again here in a little bit, and we're going to let the GoPro just do what it does. So okay, so this is where it fell out of, right here. You can see that, and there's the other 4, and it without that in there, it the line counter's off. So I was letting out probably at 100 feet. I was probably down 128 feet or something like that. So anyway, it doesn't look like it's too big a job to clean it up and put it back in there. Get on these little fiber washers. And hopefully that sun's not too bright. But anyway, so we put that back in there. Looks like it'll probably stay. These other ones are maybe loose. I was kind of thinking maybe I should put some double back tape or super glue or something on it. We'll see if it comes back out again. So anyway, it's pretty easy to reassemble. Just slide that guy back on like that, and then I'll be back in a second when I put the other side piece on. Okay, side piece just has 2 screws. Pretty easy, just put it on there and screw them back in. And then you got to put your brake back together. This has got a reverse thread, so I tell you guys, these are great downriggers when they work. Probably the best ones you can get. I think I've gone through 11 motherboards on them so far, so I'm not so sure that that's a good deal. But it's not hard to change them out if they don't warranty them, but they're kind of expensive. And Canon knows they got an issue with them, and I've talked to them I don't know how many times about the motherboard deal. Otherwise, well, hopefully that fixed it, and give you guys a chance to see what it took to repair that. If you have a line counter issue on your Canon Optimum, it's probably one of those weights is gone, magnet weight thing, from what I understand. That's kind of one of the only things that can cause the line counter, besides maybe if you took too much line off your downrigger, might cause it too. So nice day out here, kind of warm. I actually can smell a little smoke. Kind of worries me a little bit, but anyway, maybe we'll get fishing again next weekend. We were going to go this weekend, but other things came up, you know, how it is. So, and it's this time of year with the river being closed for salmon fishing, it kind of messes up all my plans. So I got the new Yulterra. I don't know if you can see that, Riptide. I bought it from Larry up there at Umpqua Marine. It's can't wait to get it out and give it a try. We got it installed. We tried it the other day, but we had the mounting bracket on not quite right, so I had to readjust it. So it's ready to go. Hopefully that should fix all my trolling motor issues. I had the one off my old Lund, which you can see the drift boat. You can't see the Lund from here, but anyway, I had it on here for most of summer. So we're wanting to get that out and be sure the autopilot works better like it says it does from the older ones. And then we'll get the Canon downriggers. Hopefully that fixed this one and cured my issue. Lots of little salmon biting in Oroville. We're kind of giving bullards a break for a couple days, and we'll well, I don't know, we'll probably go back. I think me and Rusty have a little outing scheduled for the 11th of November on Veterans Day. It's a Saturday. I think the Monday